25 years in the corporate world has got me burnt out. I thought I need something to do in the creative field. Photography is a storytelling, I'm passionate about it, and I started when I had my kids. Fashion editorial. After I've been to Paris, it's been amazing. I've given myself 5 years, so the first 2 years I'm trying to do fashion shows, runways, and then getting my names on magazines. I've got a 5-year goal plan. Yeah, just meeting people, seeing their work, getting inspired by everybody's got a different technique, unique styling, and seeing how they progress during their career. Just come and do it. I love PSC and I'm still here after how many years? 4 years.